Flowise is an open-source AI workflow automation platform. Let's set up the product in your AWS account. You can find the link for the developer guide below in the description. And also you can find the developer guide under the additional resources section of the product page. If you have fulfilled all the prerequisites, you can continue to set up the product. To begin with, click the View Purchases Options button. Click the Subscribe button. Please wait 3 minutes. Click Launch Your Software. Select AWS CloudFormation. Click Launch with CloudFormation. Click Next. Provide a unique stack name. Enter an admin email. For deployment name, enter a name of your choice. Provide a public domain name for domain name. Choose an instance type. Select your preferred key name. Give S3 bucket name for database backup. Set SSH location as 0.0.0.0/0. Keep subnet CIDR block and keep VPC CIDR block as it is. Click Next. Tick the box that says, I acknowledge that AWS CloudFormation might create IAM resources with custom names. Click Next. Review and verify the details you've entered. Click Submit. Afterward, you'll be directed to the CloudFormation Stacks page. Please wait for 5 to 10 minutes until the stack has been successfully created. Fast forwarding 5 to 10 minutes. After CloudFormation is created, navigate to Output tab, then click Dashboard URL IP. We can update DNS, copy the public IP labeled Public IP in the Outputs tab. Go to AWS Route 53 and navigate to Hosted Zones. Select the correct hosted zone. Give record name and paste IP address. Click Create Record. Let's see how to generate SSL manually. Copy the public IP address indicated as public IP in the Outputs tab. You can use Terminal or SSH client. Here I use SSH client named Termius. After log you into the server, paste the following command into your terminal and press Enter and follow the instructions. You can also find the command under the Generate SSL section of the guide. For more configurations, see the developer guide. Enjoy Flowise.